If Epic Games is opening to a blank screen or not launching at all, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is one of the most frustrating issues for PC gamers, especially when you just want to open the launcher, sign in, and get back to your games. We'll go step by step, starting with the quickest fix first, and then moving to a few extra troubleshooting methods if the launcher still refuses to open. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we want to run the Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. To do that, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to start properly, especially if it's being blocked by Windows security settings or a permissions issue. If that doesn't work, the next step is to close any Epic Games processes that may be stuck in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC to open Task Manager. Then look under the Processes tab for anything related to Epic Games Launcher or Epic Web Helper. Select those tasks and click End Task. Sometimes the launcher looks like it isn't opening, but really it's hanging in the background and needs to be fully closed before it can relaunch correctly. Once those processes are ended, try opening Epic Games again. If you still get a blank screen, temporarily turn off your antivirus and firewall just for testing. Sometimes security software can interfere with the launcher and stop it from loading properly. You don't need to leave it off forever, but turning it off briefly can help you confirm whether that's the cause. After that, open the launcher again and see if the issue is gone. Another thing you should check is whether Epic Games servers are working properly. If the servers are down or having issues, the launcher may not load correctly or may get stuck on a blank page. You can check Epic Games status online and make sure there isn't a wider outage happening. If everything looks fine on their end, then the issue is likely on your computer, and you can move on to the next fix. If none of those steps work, you may need to reinstall the Epic Games Launcher. This can fix corrupted files, broken updates, or damaged launcher data that prevent it from opening. Before reinstalling, make sure you uninstall the launcher properly, then download the latest version from the official Epic Games website and install it again fresh. A clean reinstall often solves stubborn launch problems when nothing else does. And if the launcher still won't open after that, it may help to restart your PC and try again after Windows fully reloads. That can clear temporary glitches and free up system resources. So to quickly recap, run Epic Games as administrator, end any stuck processes in Task Manager, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall protection to test for conflicts, check the Epic Games server status, and reinstall the launcher if needed. Those steps solve most blank screen and launch issues for Epic Games on Windows. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials, fixes, and quick guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.